Hello guys, I'm just finished now. I'm just finished now. But my clothes are scattered and everything is scattered. And my dishes is still standing here when I was eating out of. But I'm finished now. Now I'm sitting in the wheelchair again. Yeah. So, this is what I wanted to tell you guys. I'm gonna, I'm gonna go live on TikTok and see if I have the courage to tell them my story. And we'll see what happens after I tell them my story. And yeah, I don't know what the result will be, but we'll have to see about that. Either the result will be good or bad. Don't know about that. We really don't know, but we'll see. And yeah. So I'm gonna try, but that will not be now because there's a lot of disturbance and I don't like it. So I did it. I shaved myself. But anyway, my granny is gonna fix everything now. So I'm gonna try to go live on. I'm gonna try to go live when I'm gonna out at her Friday. I'm gonna be at home. So I'll try to go live. Why? On Friday. Eh? There's no bus. If there's no bus, huh? He's gonna go to the hospital. He's gonna go to the hospital. So the bus is not. Anyway, so I'm gonna try to go live on TikTok on Friday when there's no disturbance and when there's going to be no disturbance, I'm gonna try to go live on TikTok and see what happens. So, guys, that was all for the afternoon vlog. I mean the night vlog. It's currently it was currently 5 o'clock, but it's not anymore. But let's just say it's that time. So yeah, I'll see you guys tonight, and so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell icon.